Hello dear student, last time we have studied triangle inequality. This triangle inequality of any triangle is divided into two parts. Number 1 based on sum, number 2 based on difference. According to the based on sum, the definition is sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Here I take one example, 2, 3, 4. You add the two sides of this triangle, and after that you can observe it, this sum will be greater from third side. Based on sum, according to this you can understand. But now for based on difference, the definition is difference between of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Okay, so we have to take two sides. Here I took this two side, 4 and 2. So, and now I did the difference in between of them. Then I got here 2. 2 should be less than from third side, isn't? Okay, so the definition on according to the based on difference between of any two side of a triangle is less than the third side. So here is the first step. Second step, you can take 4 and 3. If I am writing a 4 and 3, this number is also their difference is also less than from this third side. Third step, which one is remaining? 3 and 2. 3 minus 2. This one is also less than from third side. So understand according to the base. So these are the side can form a triangle. Okay. So remember it. Whether you can prove triangle inequality through based on sum or based on difference. Remember this point always. Once again I am explaining to you question number 3. AN is a median of a triangle ABC. Here already form a triangle ABC, so no need to prove through triangle inequality property that a triangle will be formed or not. Okay, we have to prove this one condition is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AN. How can you prove? Here I am solving this type of the question as a theorem 1 pattern. First I am writing here given. So given, you know what the things we have to write here, which is the given in according to the question we have to write. Since AN is a median, it means BN is equal to NC. Their length will be equal because AN is our median and N is the midpoint. If you add BN plus NC, it become BC. Understand now? Now to prove, what we have to prove? AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AN. We have to prove this type of the condition. Now according to the proving condition, we have to look for proof. How? See, here is a given less than. First we have to write the less than condition AN. AN is coming in which triangle? In two triangles. One is ABN, second is ANC. So we have to take one triangle ABN. Okay, and now using one inequality property. If you are writing here AN, now less than in other two sides. So what is the other two side in ABN? One is AB and other is BN. You can write like that. And you can see another one triangle ANC. ANC में भी अपन ने क्या लिखा? AN ही लिखा, और AN को लीव करके बाकी की two sides है उनको add करके we can write like that. Now add then left hand side, right hand side. After adding, then you can see this type of the statement. Now BN and CN, their combination, it make a one side, that is BC. So hence it is true. Now look our question number 4. PQRS is a quadrilateral, PR and QS are the diagonals. There is a given and we have to prove this two statement. Okay. Now how to prove? Same as the pattern. We have to follow it. First we have to write given. What the given condition is given? According to the question, PQRS is a quadrilateral. So you have to draw here PQRS is a quadrilateral. Okay. And then PR and QS as a diagonal. So we have to join them. Then we have to get this type of the figure. Now to prove, here I am taking this first one step. A is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP is greater than PR plus QS. So always remember this kind of the statement. If you want to prove, how can you prove? Look, less than one digit. Less than, which is a less than? PR and QS. So you have to take less than one digit first. You have to write less than PR Now PR, make it two triangle. If you will look out, PR, make it two triangle. One is PRQ and second is PRS. So we have to write PQR and PRS. You can write the any ट्राइंगल नेम, कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं, PQR भी लिख सकते हैं, PRQ भी लिख सकते हैं और PRS भी लिख सकते हैं या PSR भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, in this two triangle name we have to use our triangle inequality property, but you have to take less than which side? PR. Okay, now writing PR, write two side in this two triangle which is the remaining. So what is it? PQ plus QR in PQR. Now next one PRS में क्या हो जाएगा? PS plus SR. Understand now? Same as the pattern we have to follow for QS that I did here. You can look, if you will see, this QS is the diagonal and making two divide into two triangle, and we have to write here name and write first QS, and according to this QS write other two side in the sum. Now add them. These are the number 1 2 3 4 left hand side right hand side को add कर दिया, add करा, then PQ plus QR, PS plus SR as it is you can write. Then after you can say PQ and PQ is coming two time, QR and QR या RQ, it means they are similar. Okay, PS and PS, it is also similar. SR or RS, it means these are the sides coming twice time, so we have to write with this 2, because you know x plus x क्या हो जाता है? 2x हो जाता है ना. वैसे साइड को भी अपन ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, PQ plus PQ, it become 2PQ, 2QR, 2PS and 2RS is greater than from 2PR and 2QS. You can see here is also 2 common and here is also 2 common. So you can take outside this 2 in the both place, and then after easily you can cut 2 from here also and here also. So this condition we want to prove, so hence it is true. Understand how can you solve this type of the question? According to the less than condition, you have to put our triangle inequality condition. Now question number B. Third B is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP is less than from this one type of the condition. So what is the less than one condition? PQ, QR, RS and SP. So we have to take first PQ, then after QR and RS and PS. Okay, so this quadrilateral PQRS is given and they are intersect at a point O. Suppose that they are intersect at a point O. It is a reason to writing here O. Why? If you taking here PQ is a less than other two side. So what is other two side? If you will look here, this is the PQ and making one triangle with this O. Making one triangle of this O, that's why I am divided here. That's why we have write here O point. Understand, this is the reason. POQ, it means OP plus OQ. It's greater from PQ. थर्ड साइड से दोनों का सम क्या होना चाहिए? ग्रेटर होना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द ट्रायंगल इनेक्वालिटी प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट QR में भी ऐसे ही करेंगे. अदर सम ऑफ टू अदर टू साइड इट विल बी ग्रेटर फ्रॉम थर्ड साइड. फॉर ROS के लिए भी करेंगे सेम एज द पैटर्न. अदर टू साइड विल बी ग्रेटर फ्रॉम थर्ड साइड एंड सेम एज द पैटर्न फॉर SP या PS. नाउ ऐड दैम. इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2 को ऐड करोगे. जब तुमने ऐड आफ्टर एडिंग देन यू कैन सी here is also coming twice time every side, each and every side, so you have to add them, then it become 2OP, 2OQ, 2OR and 2OS. Okay, then after this one is as it is, you can write PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. Next one you can see here OP plus OR, the combination of OP plus OR, it is the combination of PR. Complete one diagonal. OQ and OS combination is QS. Okay, so you can first combine them, then after easily you can write the instead of this sum you can write here PR and इसकी जगह भी क्या लिख सकते हैं? QS. Understand now? Next step, we are not changing this left hand side is going continuously without changing this process. Now we got what we wanted till this step. Now you can see here this 2PR and QS in this place it's coming, so I am just writing according to the proving condition which is given in our question. So you can write like that now, without, we are not changing any kind of the statement. 2 is greater than 1. So here is also, if you can look, 2 is greater from 1. So same the process I did here for writing as it according to the question. Now look our question number 5. The length of two sides of a triangle are 9 cm and 7.5 cm. In this question we have to find third side of this triangle. So here the third side is coming approximately between two measure of the length. So you know the triangle inequality condition is divided in two parts. One is based on sum and second is based on difference. So we have to use these are the property and finding our third side in this triangle. So you can look example which is given in your book. According to this example you can solve this type of the question. In this example is also same way. Here is given two side in a one triangle and third side possibility length we have to find out. What would be possible length of the third side? We have to not find it exactly, possible length we have to find. So here I am using the property first sum one side. If you add 3 plus 5 it is equal to 8 centimeter. If you difference them then you will get here 2. So definitely the third side will become in between of them, 8 से छोटी और 2 से बड़ी. You can say the third side could be any length greater than 2 centimeter and less than 8 centimeter. Now question number 6, you have to do this question number 6 also. Mark 3 collinear point. You can take any kind of the length and mark it any place and join them this 3 point, and after that you have to measure their length. After measuring their length, write their length here. Suppose you are getting here 2 and here is getting 3 and here you are getting 4. Okay, after getting this kind of the side length, then you have to verify it that the difference between of the length which you have done in question number 1 is the possibility of have a triangle with this following side. So now you have to do same as the process in question number 6, but the condition you have to use difference one. Now the next question, mark a point O in the exterior of triangle PQR. Show that we have to prove this type of the condition. So here I draw PQR and outside O point exterior. Okay, this is the O point and this O point I join with this P also, Q also and R also. Now you can see here we want to prove which is the less than condition, PQ, QR and RP. So we have to take first QP, PQ. So what is PQ? Here is a PQ. PQ is coming in triangle, which one? OPQ. So here write out OPQ. OPQ के according PQ की condition क्या हो जाएगी? PQ से other two side you can write like that. Same as QR के लिए लिखा और PR के लिए करा. After that add them left hand side, right hand side. Adding this type of this result you can observe it. And here we got what we wanted. Next question number 8, you can look also. S is any point on the side QR of triangle PQR. Show that PQ plus QR plus PR is greater than 2PS. So first you have to draw a figure PQR any side. उसने बोला S कहीं पे भी any side है तो we can write here S यहाँ पे है. Suppose करो on a side QR पे क्लियर. इसने मीडियन नहीं बोला है, इसने बोला QR पे कहीं पे भी है तो यहाँ पे अपन ने S ले लिया. Now what we want to prove, 2PS अपन को चाहिए. So we have to take the PS one condition first from this triangle, then another one triangle. After writing add them, these are the number. Now you can say QS plus RS the combination of QR, same as the question we have done already in 3, third one median के जैसे, but ये median नहीं है, but the combination you can say QR. Understand now?